Infinite Void. Excel tutorial by Infinite Void. If you want to follow along, you can download the Excel file, which can be found in the description box. vlookup. vlookup is used when you need to find things in a table or a range by row. vlookup consists of 4 elements within its parentheses: a lookup value, table array, column index number, range lookup. In this tutorial, I'll be demonstrating vlookup by looking up a price of a produce item as an example. Just leave a note, vlookup can be used in various ways, such as finding a product by its product code or finding a product name based on their product ID, etc. You can also match 2 different data sets together and combine it into one table. Another way to use vlookup is data validation or error checking, such as checking if a value exists in another list. The possibilities are endless. So let's begin my demonstration. Lookup value means the value to look up. In this instance, we have the produce name, cantaloupe, and we'll select that cell to input into the formula. To do this, we just click in that cell. Now you need to add a comma. Table array means range where the lookup value is located. In the instance, we will select the entire data table in the columns B and C. Call index number means column number in the range. In this instance, the price in the column 2 in the dataset range. Range lookup means true, also a 1, or false, also a 0. In addition, true is an approximate match and false is an exact match. In this instance, we want the exact match, so we will use false. There you have it. The prices of the produce names are now entered. We can also input a certain produce name, such as beans, and it will update the price to match beans. So as a refresher, in this introduction, I said we would be looking up the price of the produce item as an example, and that's what we achieved. This is the power of vlookup, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.